1. The main purpose of building construction is A. Decoration. B. Shelter and safety. C. Entertainment. D. Transport. Answer B. Shelter and safety. 2. A building used for living purposes is called A. Industrial building. B. Residential building. C. Public building. D. Commercial building. Answer B. Residential building. 3. The lower portion of a building below ground level is called A. Superstructure. B. Foundation. C. Roof. D. Plank. Answer B. Foundation. 4. The part of building above ground level is known as A. Foundation. B. Footing. C. Superstructure. D. Bed concrete. Answer C. Superstructure. 5. The primary function of foundation is to A. Beautify the building. B. Transfer loads safely to soil. C. Increase height. D. Reduce ventilation. Answer B. Transfer loads safely to soil. 6. Which of the following is a temporary structure? A. Bridge. B. Tent. C. House. D. School. Answer B. Tent. 7. The horizontal portion constructed above ground level is called A. Plinth. B. Beam. C. Footing. D. Lintel. Answer A. Plinth. 8. The height between floor level and ceiling is known as A. Span. B. Headroom. C. Story height. D. Depth. Answer C. Story height. 9. The topmost covering of a building is called A. Wall. B. Roof. C. Floor. D. Foundation. Answer B. Roof. 10. Which building is mainly used for manufacturing work? A. Residential. B. Industrial. C. Educational. D. Religious. Answer B. Industrial. 11. The component used to divide rooms is A. Roof. B. Partition wall. C. Foundation. D. Footing. Answer B. Partition wall. 12. Damp-proof course is provided to prevent A. Fire. B. Cracks. C. Moisture. D. Heat. Answer C. Moisture. 13. Which material is commonly used in foundation work? A. Glass. B. Timber. C. Concrete. D. Plastic. Answer C. Concrete. 14. The minimum thickness of load-bearing wall is generally A. 5 centimeters. B. 10 centimeters. C. 20 centimeters. D. 50 centimeters. Answer C. 20 centimeters. 15. The horizontal member above doors and windows is called A. Beam. B. Lintel. C. Sill. D. Roof slab. Answer B. Lintel. 16. The lower horizontal part of window opening is known as A. Lintel. B. Thajja. C. Sill. D. Beam. Answer C. Sill. 17. Which part protects walls from rainwater? A. Foundation. B. Thajja. C. Plank. D. Footing. Answer B. Thajja. 18. A building with more strength and stability should have A. Weak foundation. B. Strong foundation. C. Thin roof. D. weak walls. Answer B. Strong foundation. 19. Which of the following is a public building? A. House. B. Factory. C. Hospital. D. Shop. Answer C. Hospital. 20. The process of preparing a plan before construction is called A. Excavation. B. Planning. C. Masonry. D. Flooring. Answer B. Planning. 21. The open space left around a building is called A. Margin. B. Courtyard. C. Setback. D. Compound. Answer C. Setback. 22. The vertical members supporting roof are called A. Beams. B. Columns. C. Lintels. D. Slabs. Answer B. Columns. 23. Which drawing shows top view of building? A. Elevation. B. Section. C. Plan. D. Perspective. Answer C. Plan. 24. The cutting of earth for foundation is called A. Filling. B. Excavation. C. Leveling. D. Compacting. Answer B. Excavation. 25. The purpose of flooring is to A. Increase moisture. B. Provide smooth surface. C. Reduce strength. D. Decorate roof. Answer B. Provide smooth surface. 26. Which is not a component of building? A. Roof. B. Foundation. C. Railway track. D. Wall. Answer C. Railway track. 27. The bottommost part of foundation is called A. Beam. B. Footing. C. Plinth. D. Slab. Answer B. Footing. 28. Which building is used for educational purposes? A. Factory. B. School. C. Cinema. D. Warehouse. Answer B. School. 29. The purpose of ventilation is to provide A. Decoration. B. Fresh air. C. Moisture. D. Heat. Answer B. Fresh air. 30. Which material is mostly used for modern buildings? A. Mud. B. Bamboo. C. RCC. D. Leaves. Answer C. RCC. 31. Sunshade provided over openings is called A. Beam. B. Thajja. C. Lintel. D. Plinth. Answer B. Thajja. 32. The main function of walls is to A. Carry load and enclose space. B. Increase rainwater. C. Reduce strength. D. Store water. Answer A. Carry load and enclose space. 33. Which part transfers roof load to foundation? A. Floor. B. Wall. C. Paint. D. Glass. Answer B. Wall. 34. The line drawing of a building is called A. Blueprint. B. Layout. C. Sketch. D. Plan. Answer D. Plan. 35. The room provided for cooking is called A. Bedroom. B. Kitchen. C. Hall. D. Store. Answer B. Kitchen. 36. The room used for sanitation purposes is called A. Kitchen. B. Drawing room. C. Bathroom. D. Veranda. Answer C. Bathroom. 37. Which building component prevents entry of rainwater from roof? A. Flooring. B. Roofing. C. Painting. D. Plastering. Answer B. Roofing. 38. The process of covering rough wall surface is called A. Flooring. B. Plastering. C. Painting. D. Pointing. Answer B. Plastering. 39. Which of the following improves appearance of building? A. Foundation. B. Painting. C. Excavation. D. Footing. Answer B. Painting. 40. The term RCC stands for A. Reinforced cement concrete. B. Ready cement concrete. C. Reinforced clay concrete. D. Rapid cement construction. Answer A. Reinforced cement concrete. 41. Which building is used for business activities? A. Commercial building. B. Residential building. C. Religious building. D. Educational building. Answer A. Commercial building. 42. The upper surface of floor is known as A. Ceiling. B. Roof. C. Floor finish. D. Foundation. Answer C. Floor finish. 43. Doors are mainly provided for A. Light only. B. Ventilation only. C. Entry and exit. D. Decoration only. Answer C. Entry and exit. 44. Windows are mainly provided for A. Storage. B. Fresh air and light. C. Security only. D. Decoration only. Answer B. Fresh air and light. 45. Which component separates one floor from another? A. Roof. B. Ceiling floor slab. C. Foundation. D. Wall paint. Answer B. Ceiling floor slab. 46. The open area in front of building is called A. Veranda. B. Lobby. C. Porch. D. Courtyard. Answer C. Porch. 47. The structure constructed to store goods is called A. Warehouse. B. Temple. C. Hospital. D. School. Answer A. Warehouse. 48. The purpose of plastering is to make surface A. Rough. B. Uneven. C. Smooth. D. Weak. Answer C. Smooth. 49. Which factor is most important in planning a building? A. Safety. B. Color. C. Height only. D. Decoration only. Answer A. Safety. 50. A good building should have A. Poor ventilation. B. Weak foundation. C. Strength, stability and durability. D. No light. Answer C. Strength, stability and durability.